Story: The Farmer and His Four Sons. Once an old man lived in a village. He had 4 sons. They are always fights with each other. The old man was very upset about their future. One day, the old farmer fell sick and decided that he should bring unity among his sons. He called his son and asked to bring few sticks. They bought the sticks. The farmer old man asked the oldest son to tie them in a bundle. Then after that he asked them to try their strength to break it. The all four tried to break the bundle but failed. Then the old man gave one stick to each and asked to break it. Each of them was able to do it easily. Then the farmer said, "Now you understand, if you are united, nobody will harm you. But you keep fighting, you will be broken by anyone." So, moral of the story is, unity is strength. If you like the story, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. We will meet with the next story. Bye everyone.